Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tool Talk TV, where we test the tools so you don't have to. Today I'm testing the Tecmix paddle mixer. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit. I've had my one for about 6 months now. Used it for quite a lot of things. I'm just over at my mum's house doing a bit of bonding coat and got to do a bit of plastering, so I'm going to use it to knock up a bit of bonding coat just to show you how it all works. It's got a safety locking feature, so you can you press the button in, then you pull your trigger, and that's where you go. If not, it will not go off. So while you're moving it around, you're not going to accidentally set it up and tangle your legs up. It's got a speed setting here. Be warned that when you're using it, if you do adjust the speed setting, it will in fact take a little bit of time to build itself up to that speed, so it won't kick in instantly like most drills and things like that. It will take a bit of time to sort of get itself in there. I'll put the actual link for this I got it from Screwfix, this one. I'll put the link for it in the description below. Now, I probably should have got a bit of a bigger tub to mix up in, but this should sort of do. So essentially you put your water in first, throw your gear on top, and then begin to mix it. I've messed about with the speed settings now, so I'm going to have to adjust it a little bit to try and find the right one. Now, as you can see, this ain't just good for plastering. This is sort of the consistency now that you'd want, sort of like a dry mix screed for if you were laying like patio or anything like that. So it has got a lot of uses. I mean, if you can't fit a cement mixer in the garden, you could use this to knock it up. Use a big tray or a muck tub. We're going to need a little bit more water than that, because obviously we're essentially trying to get this on the wall. So add a little bit more water. Now, one thing I absolutely love about this mixer is just how easy it is to clean up afterwards. I mean, you can probably see on the bottom from the start of the video, there's a bit of white tile adhesive stuck on there. That was when I lent it to somebody who didn't quite get enough time to clean it up, so they left a little bit on there. I could clean it up properly, but I'm not overly worried for the moment. I mean, I'll sort it out at a later date. But to clean it off, all you need to do is obviously spin your way out of the muck. be warned, if you do that quick, you are going to flick it everywhere. Now you notice there's loads of gear left on that paddle. Just get a bucket half filled with water. And as you can see, a lot of gears come off already. You will still have a little bit left over, so just get yourself a soft paintbrush. This is a masonry one. And just literally give that a little bit of a brush down. Like I said, I'm not going to go mad with it because there's a lot of gear on there already. So I do need to give it a proper clean at some point. But when I get round to it, be that a week, be that 6 months, it is what it is. And there you have it. Also to note, I went for the 110 version. It's still powerful as anything, more than what I want. It's just I prefer 110 over 240. Just feel like it's a little bit more safer. As I'm working on my own a lot of the time, I mean, if I get an electric shock off of 110, it's just going to be a bit of a pain. But obviously 240 volts could kill me and nobody's going to find me. So long and short of it. So if you want to grab yourself one, like I said, I'm going to put the link below to Screwfix. I'll try and have a look on the other tool sites, see if I can find it for cheap. I think I paid about £130 for it, but one of the best tools I've ever invested in. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and leave us a little comment below if you think I've missed anything. All the best.